Do I want to pull on it? I want Sean to pull on it. If you want. It's up to the guys. I don't know. How long is this one going to take, guys?